Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ScapesMania token. Now the ScapesMania token is live for pre-sale right now on their webpage, ScapesMania.io. We're going to go over the information on this token in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, if you go to their webpage, ScapesMania.io, they have a very well put together webpage. Tons of info on the webpage, also lit up right at the right when you log on to the webpage, or not log on, when you open up the webpage, there is a white paper highlighted there. You can click on that. It'll take you over to a 37-page huge white paper with all sorts of tiny print. There's all sorts of great pictures. Everything's on here. They have 2 different audits. One of them is in progress. So the first audit that's completed, they have a full audit by Block Seifu. So that's great right off the bat. They also have an audit in progress by CertiK. Now CertiK is the leading auditor, so that's great that they have that audit in progress as well. It says the game you own, benefit and influence the development of a project made for a massive profitable Web 2 audience. So it says your only chance to claim up to 150% bonus. So that's what's going on with the pre-sale right now. It says 83% early birds bonus, up to 25% purchasing bonus, and up to 42% vesting bonus. So ScapesMania is the name of the token. Mania is the ticker symbol. It says they are increasingly priced gradually. So right now they have the token price on here, and it is basically 0.0025 USDT. And in 4 days, 11 hours, and 2 minutes, as of recording this video, the price will increase to the next amount, and it'll just keep going until the pre-sale is over. Now, and then it'll be listed on PancakeSwap, since this is a Binance Smart Chain token, so you'll be able to get it over there. It'll also have some central exchange listings after, so they're already, I guess, in cahoots with some central exchanges. It says Bitmart will be one of them, Gate.io, and MEXC Global. If you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there. That's a very great central exchange that I use. That's just my opinion. But yeah, it has over 6 million users, and if you're looking for an account, I do have a referral code to MEXC Global in the description box down there. Now, it says here that they've already raised $69,557.70, and basically this is a very brand new pre-sale, just started, so you can check that out. Now, they're also in cahoots here with a full-cycle blockchain and software solutions company with extensive experience in game development. They also have 2 different telegrams on their webpage that you could join. One is ScapesMania ANN. Another one is at ScapesMania. They also have a Discord group at ScapesMania. Twitter is also ScapesMania. Medium articles, same thing, and a YouTube channel as well. A project beyond play to earn. The play to earn market, let me scroll back there. It says the play to earn market is facing challenges, and even the large titles see a drop in their user base and token prices. Traditional gamers are not interested in tokens, and crypto entrepreneurs are not interested in games. So we created a project that satisfies both of these markets. Tap into the massive market. The gaming market is a massive market. $376 million globally and expected to reach $521.6 billion globally by 2027. It says a power of Web3 for traditional gamers. So it's for the casual audience, but with the help of Web3 for crypto enthusiasts. And also, it says here, ScapesMania is an ecosystem that provides Web3 enthusiasts with the opportunity to have markets made for massive profitable casual gaming audiences and Web2 players. So that's what it is in a nutshell. Both of those combined. They have a video kind of showing you what the game looks like on their webpage. Then they have their business model here. So within the token, they're going to have token burns. So it's going to be a deflationary token. You can become a DAO member. So you're going to have voting rights on which direction the project goes. They're going to have, it says that this is a BNB grant-winning developer who's in charge of this here. They're going to have Web3 fundraising, Web3 crypto audience, massive tier 1 game project. So they're going to have token staking, so you'll be able to stake the token and earn more rewards. There's going to be engagement rewards, in-game assets, standalone casual gaming, token buybacks, all sorts of cool stuff on here. Different revenue streams from buying energy, buying boosters, time reduction. You can get decorative items in the game, premium accounts, ads, events, all these different things are helping the token as well there. And then the key advantages are on here. So it's got AI content generator on here as well. Reward program for token holders, App Store and Google Play presence, rapid implementation based on ready-made solutions, well-established game economy with a wide range of revenue streams, engaging mechanics, and setting based on marketing research. And yeah, you can learn more by clicking on their white paper there. They show the different stages here. So like the whitelist stage, then the early bird stage, pre-sale stage 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is the last pre-sale stage, and then it goes over to public sale. And they have token allocation on here. It's split up between pre-sale, public sale, liquidity, reward, staking, advisors, ambassadors, team marketing, and reserved for new games, DAO grants. All sorts of cool stuff. Go check it all out at ScapesMania.io. They have a real lengthy roadmap too. They have the team doxed on the page. You can check out their own individual socials on there as well. Advisors are doxed. Partners are on here. Frequently asked questions. You can subscribe to a newsletter. So much stuff. ScapesMania.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.